we have a histogram that is given. The x-axis is t, time, and the y-axis is the frequency density, the height. Remember, this is the frequency and this is the frequency density. So from the histogram we have to read the information and fill up the table. We have to find the frequency. Remember, frequency density equals to frequency divided by class width. That makes frequency, which is the area, as the height of the histogram, frequency density, times the class width. So from here, if you want to find this, the frequency for this building is this one. So this building. So for finding the frequency, we need the class width. Now this one is, so the height of the building or frequency density is 5, and the class width, since there is no gap here, so the class width, we don't have to do the continuity correction of 0.5. So the boundary is going to be 25 and 18. So 25 minus 18 is going to be 7. So this is 7, class width is 7, and the height is 5. So frequency is going to be frequency density times class width. 5 7s are 35, so this would be 35. The next one, this one, so the class width is going to be 15, so this is going to be 15, and the height is 1, so this is 1. 15 into 1 is 15. So done. In question number B, estimate the number of people. Remember, number of people is represented by this frequency. This 500 meter is a noun. It is the name of the race. It's a 500 meter swimming race, so don't get mixed up with this number. So estimate the number of people who took longer than 20 minutes. So longer than 20 minutes means, if this is 20 minutes, from here, so this is this one and this one is longer than 20 minutes. So what you need is this area and this area. Remember, frequency is area. So if you know this area and this area, that would be the total longer than 20 minutes. So longer than 20 minutes means from 20 and till the last moment, which is 40. So this area would be longer than 20 minutes. So this rectangle has a height of 5. So from 20 to 25, the class width is going to be 5. So we can write this as, so total frequency or total number of people is this area, which is going to be 5 times 5 plus this area, which is going to be class width is 15 times 1. So that would be 25 plus 15, that would be 40 people.